I have tried myself, my mind to silence, but I couldn't actually. I couldn't. Every time I'm thinking it's going. But when you take that session, during the sessions आपने जितनी meditations मुझे कराई हैं, I have loved them. And that was the only time my mind was actually calm and stable and silent.
Beautiful.
And it's really mind blowing.
So you have taken the 5 a.m. and the
Okay.
membership, right? The 1 month membership so far.
So knowing you, like I was very curious to know about NLP actually. When I got through your video on YouTube about weight loss and helping 3 tricks which can make you go ahead. And that was during when I wrote actually NLP for weight loss. And your video popped up, and I was just scrolling, and I was clicking and just going on, clicking and going on. I think your was second or third video that I watched, and your was the video which I watched throughout the end, and I actually downloaded it and still have in my download, and I keep on going back to it. And actually, I did the practice which you taught, those 3 steps, and I cried a lot, to be very frank. And that was the first time when I thought, okay, I have to get in touch with you. So you were all the time you were saying that 21 NLP training period, training course, and I was not interested in that actually, but I was very curious to know about health. So I get connected to you via your number on WhatsApp. And no doubt you said ki you have the plans for membership as well as NLP training. So मेरा NLP से ज़्यादा कुछ intentionally I don't want to be into that, क्योंकि मेरा वो mindset नहीं है अभी कि मुझे उसको एज अ किसी चीज के लिए करना है. लेकिन यू हैड दैट मेंबरशिप अलोंग विद दैट वाज अ गिफ्ट फॉर मी एक्चुअली, कि ओके लेट्स डू. अगर मुझे मेंबरशिप के साथ एनएलपी भी 21 डेज मिल रहा है तो लेट्स टेक इट, सो दैट कैन गिव मी वे अहेड. मतलब एक तो मैं अपनी जो मुझे चीज सीखनी है वो कर रही हूँ, एंड सेकेंडली आई एम गेटिंग अ गिफ्ट आउट ऑफ नोवेयर, सो लेट्स टेक इट. एंड दैट टू एट अ प्राइस which was very very affordable to me, very frankly speaking, and that one personal touch.
Yeah.
To be very frank.
Great.
And it was player connecting to you. Yeah.
Great. Can you tell me
And the very first
Yeah.
session we had, it was mind opening to me, and it has opened many things. You, as well as your video, uske wo 3 steps has helped me a lot. That was the first time I actually started consciously observing my eating habits that I have been trying for past many years, लेकिन वो नहीं हो पा रहा था. But your 3 steps made me do that easily, very easily and comfortably. And then your first session that I had with you, it was mind opening. I got to realize where I am stuck, why I'm doing things stupidly. And actually that has, the first session I told you in my second or third session, I guess, okay, I was stuck for 70% now. Like 30% I have been dealing for many past years. मैं learn कर रही हूँ कि overcome करना है. तो वो 70% का 35%, मतलब 50% was over in my first session. And now almost I told you that after completing these 4 sessions, only 5% is left, and that is not on your behalf, your teachings. It's on my behalf, that I have to carry on these things to next level and practice them on daily basis, so that 5% can be done, removed.
Beautiful. Okay, so let's be a little bit specific here. I'm only going to take 2 more minutes of yours. Can you please tell me 3 benefits, top 3 benefits in specifically that you got out of this membership and all the workshop that you've taken, especially the membership?
First is I have actually learned how to silence my mind, and your voice actually that makes me feel good. मतलब I cannot, अभी भी मैं जब आप अभी सेशन दे रहे थे, I was thinking of the same, I can do this all the time. फिर उससे दिमाग में आया नहीं, नेहा मैम नहीं बोल रहे होते ना, इसलिए नहीं होता है मेरे से. Your words, the way you translate the things and say, and they actually penetrate, and my mind goes silent. That was the first thing I actually learned, and I can feel my energy shifting. मतलब जब आपके साथ सेशंस में मैंने वो मेडिटेशंस की हैं, तो आई हैव सीन कि माय विजन इज एक्चुअली माइंड जो साइलेंस हो रहा है, तो देयर इज ओनली light, no other thought, nothing has come across, nothing is coming. Even up voices hain aas pass, but I'm not getting into them, I'm just enriching myself. And second thing, yes, I have learned a lot of things. I am very observant. I told you in every session of mine, I'm very observant. And so I have observed my weak points. And because I am learning how to cope up, and somehow it has tricked me. Like, जो कहते हैं ना कि सामने पड़ा है लेकिन समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या है, हलवा बना हुआ था, तो I can specify the things and I know how to take care of them. I actually knew it, but I was not aware of them. मतलब वो पूरा का पूरा पुलाव सर्व था, लेकिन मुझे उसमें से सब चीजें समझ नहीं आ रही थी. I was just eating it. Now I know कि this is this, this is this, this is this, and how much I have to take it. That was the second thing. And the third very मस्त वाली चीज ये है कि yes, somehow there is no block for my past now, to be very frank.
Very good.
So
That's
that
amazing.
that a little was left, it's gone now.
Amazing. So nice, so nice.
Thank
So nice to hear. And I just want to ask you one more question here. People who are watching this, for example, yeah, and especially the people, you know, a lot of women in our country and everywhere, especially in our country, they experience this feeling of, you know, if they have weight or if they are, if they are fat. I mean, if I use the word, you know, if they feel that there's a lot of weight, it starts to affect their self-worth. So people who are watching it after 4 membership sessions here, what is it? And also before as well, as Nandini, who you are today, you know, we did that IM process. As Nandini, who you are today, what is it that you would like to tell them?
Okay. First of all, I want to tell कि हम लोग को जो ह्यूमन मेड कोर्सेज हैं, जो बुक्स में सर्टिफाइड हैं और जो रजिस्टर्ड हैं ऑन सम यूनिवर्सिटी और समथिंग, उनके ऊपर इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए सिखाया जाता है फ्रॉम पेरेंटिंग, लाइक बचपन से, फ्रॉम अर्ली चाइल्डहुड. एवरीबडी इज डूइंग इट जस्ट टू गेट द डिग्रीज एंड सर्टिफिकेशन, and nobody teach you to actually invest in yourself for your your life improvement. And no doubt कि मैंने इससे पहले आपके session से पहले I have taken 6 months diet course. No doubt it has enriched my life and I'm very thankful to the lady again. But thing is, I knew कि I am not able to cope up because something is stuck. I'm a very mindful person. So I knew कि मेरे को कुछ है ऐसा जो मेरे को workout नहीं करने दे रहा. I used to be emotional eater. See, I have changed the words. I used to be emotional eater,
Yeah.
and not anymore. Thanks to you, because I invested into myself. So whatever payment is there, if you want to actually grow and overcome your lack, one should go for it. Weight loss, सब लोग कहते हैं कि diet कम करो. I have tried. I have been trying all the things since my childhood. I have been fat. My dad was a very keen person, तो exercises भी की हैं. अभी बड़े हुए, no doubt कि emotional eater हूँ, कहीं ना कहीं stuck थी. लेकिन वो अब इमोशनल ईटिंग बिल्कुल हैबिट बन चुकी थी, एंड आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गेट ओवर इट. और मुझे पता था कि वो उसके लिए इमोशन से रिलेटेड जो भी ट्रॉमास हैं या चीजें हैं उनको मुझे निकालना था. I really needed somebody to help me out, and I knew it was a life skill. It was not a certification. It was not something that I'm gonna get benefited in my career or financial things. But it was very, very important for me as a life thing. कि what उन सर्टिफिकेशंस या उन डिग्रीज का क्या करेंगे if you are not alive, if you are not healthy, your body is not working, you are not energetic, things are not working out for you, there is no use. So the only thing I want to let the people know, if there are females who are stuck into something and they think diet can help them out, no doubt they does, because they mentally believe in it. So my belief was I couldn't make it, to be very frank. So I invested into your membership only because you are training how to tackle your mind, how to be more mindful, how to use your energies from lack to having something better. So that is the only thing. If people are looking to actually enrich their lives, not on movement basis, but for lifelong, and they want to carry that positive energy on daily basis, so they should definitely come and join you.